How to separate iPhone and iPad with the same Apple ID. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can separate your iPhone and iPad with same Apple ID. So let's get started. So first thing that you need to do is simply head over and just pick any of the devices. For example, for this tutorial, I'm using iPhone. If you want to do changes on iPad, you can simply proceed with your iPad. So first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings. Once you do so, you'll be able to see your Apple account at the top. So simply click on your Apple account and then you'll be able to see something like this. So you're going to click on iCloud. Over here, you'll be able to see all of the applications. You're going to click on see all and you'll be able to see all of the applications that are synced across your devices. So all of these applications you'll be able to see on iPad and iPhone as well, and it will use the same Apple ID. So now if you want a specific application to work only on iPad or iPhone, you can simply toggle those apps off. So now those applications will not have sync data of the other device. And the next thing that you can do is simply go back and search for messaging. So simply type in messaging and here is messages. So here you can simply toggle it off. If you're using iPad, you can toggle the messages off so you cannot receive messages on iPad. So that is basically how you can separate iPhones and iPad with the same Apple ID. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.